Well friends, here is the problem number 31. Before moving to the problem, I will read the given direction. So the direction is find the figure which is similar to the problem figure choosing from the given alternatives. So here they have given one figure and we have to choose a similar figure from the given alternatives. So observe carefully the given figure and then observe the given option. Which option is exactly matching with or the similar figure that is exactly similar to this figure in the given options, that will be the right option. So observe the given figure. So I will draw the given figure here. Okay, this is having small squares and here I am having a circle. At the center I am having a star. Okay, and here I am having one more small square, a shape similar to circle, and next a triangle. Okay, now if you observe carefully, the distance between this square and circle is, yes, two blank boxes. You can see if you take in clockwise direction, the distance between circle and square is two blank boxes, and that has to be observed in the given options. So first take first option. First option is here I am having a circle. If you take in the clockwise direction, I should be getting the square after two empty boxes. Yes, it is matching. So first option may be my correct option. Now moving to second option. In the second option, if you observe this circle, after two empty boxes I should get square. Can you get here a square after two empty boxes? First of all, I am not having two empty boxes here, so this will be wrong option. Now I eliminated the second option. Now moving to next, third option. If you see, circle is at the center, so that is wrong option. Circle should be somewhere around the corner of the entire square box. So I should get this circle at the corner, but it is placed at the center, so that's why the third option is also wrong. So I eliminated two options, second as well as third. Now I am left with last option. So if you see, the circle is also placed at the center, so this is also a wrong option. Now I am left with only one option, that is the first option. I can take that option as the right option. Even you can go for cross checking. So how can you cross check? Now if you see, I am having a shape here. This shape, if you take in the clockwise direction, I am having one empty box. After that I am having triangle, and this can be observed here. Yes, this shape, after one empty box in clockwise direction, I will be getting a triangle. So here is that shape, and in the clockwise direction like this, one empty box, then I am getting a triangle. So that matches. So even you can go for cross checking, or else you can directly take the first option as the right option. So this is how we solve this example, by observing the given figure carefully and then eliminating the wrong options from the given options, finally coming to the right option. Now I will go to next problem.